Okay, looks like we're good. My bad, guys. I don't know what happened there. Looks like OBS disconnected real quick, but looks like we're good right now, so let's go. What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? It is Thursday, November 9th. Excuse me, December 9th, 2021. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. So, today we're doing the show from Raw-Ministan. Pretty nasty day today. It didn't start that bad, but just sold off all day. Especially the Nasdaq. Nasdaq got hit really bad today. S&P too. Dow Jones finishes sideways, so that's a bright spot there. But yeah, pretty nasty day today, and crypto is down as well. So everything is good. And yeah, that's why we're doing the show from Ramenistan. But yeah, regardless, got a great show for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. And today we have two pieces of, two articles. One article about possible SPAC regulation, and one about the Metaverse. I've never been in the Metaverse yet, or nor do I care, but apparently it's a big thing, and that just launched, so we'll take a look at that. What's up, Monir? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. As always. Yeah, I wasn't sure if I was live, but people coming in here now, so that's good. We're good to go. All right. And today for the analysis, we'll be going over LCID, Lucid, GME, Gamestop, and BKKT Bakkt holdings. And as always, we'll get to our Yolos. Yeah, today should be a pretty chill show. There were some honorable mentions. The WAC was trending again. AMC, CFVI, but I didn't want to talk about that stuff. Kind of tired about talking about those stocks. So we're gonna talk about some. Well, they were all trending top 10, but GME. I mean not GME. AMC, DWAC, and CFVI were trending more than Lucid, GME, and BKKT. But yeah, so figure I switch it up here today. Talk about some of these minor stocks. I mean, everything was down a lot, but yeah, shouldn't take too long. And the YOLOs, there weren't too many YOLOs today. Wall Street Bets has been slacking lately. So, yeah, today's show should not take too long. I always say that, and we always end up going longer, but maybe hour and a half, 2 hours today. But if you guys come in and chat, that's cool. Always welcome to stay longer. There we go. People starting to come in now. What's up, Kingpin? What's up, PZ? Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate you guys as always. Kingpin, haven't seen you here in a while, dude. So nice seeing you again. Appreciate you, man. What are your thoughts on ALF? Yeah, I can take a look at that chart real quick, dude. Let's just get started here. All right. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right. And boom, let's do it, guys. So, Kingpin, let's look at ALF real quick. Haven't heard about the stock in a while here. Yeah, so fundamentally, from what I understand, this is the tablet stock, right? In the Ubers and the Lyfts in Florida or something. I remember talking about this stock a couple of months ago. Haven't heard about the stock in a while. I think this is the one. I'm not sure. But yeah, okay, let's look at the chart here. So yeah, this is literally, sorry about the sirens, guys. It looks like it's bottoming out here. I mean, this is the all-time low, it appears like. So, I mean, that sucks. It's at the all-time low, but it is catching. It is looking like it's bottoming out here. Very strong support at 285. could go really bad if this breaks 285. But, you know, you really can't go wrong here. Buying it. All-time low. Looks like it's bottoming out. You know, possible cup and handle. RSI's at 30, so, you know, oversold. Undervalued. So, you know, not financial advice, but this looks like a pretty good buy to me right here. Can't go too wrong. I mean, hopefully it doesn't go lower. But yeah, this is literally the all-time low, and, you know, a lot of bullish indicators here. Also kind of looks like a, let me draw. Looks like an ascending triangle here. If you draw the, see right here. Well, this would be the bottom here. I don't even have to draw another line here. So, it does look bullish to me. In the short and long term. But like I said, it should hold at 285. If it breaks that, that could go really, really bad. But it looks like it tried breaking that a couple times. It never did. Yeah, retested 285 a couple times. Couldn't break that. So very strong support there. It should hold. Hopefully it doesn't break that. That can go really, really bad. But yeah. Yeah, this current price 287 is literally the bottom here. Or the all-time low. So you really can't go too wrong buying in here. And if it does pull back, well, then we're on to uncharted territory. And who knows how low it's going to go. But this appears to be pretty oversold already. You know, 30 RSI. So, yeah, I would say go for it, dude. Not financial advice. You know, fundamentally, I'm not too familiar with this company other than the CEO is kind of an ape. And this is like a low-key meme stock. But, yeah, I think they're doing pretty decent with their tablet business in the Ubers and the Lyfts. So, yeah, dude. Not sure if you're in here or you're looking to get in, but I would say good buying opportunity here. And if you're already in, you know, consider averaging down, or they have options? No options. So, yeah, consider averaging down. There's a really good price right here. So, hope that answers your question, dude. And again, glad to have you back here. Can you check AVCT? I am thinking about buying tomorrow after open for short. Sure, dude. Hey, you're welcome, Kingpin. Okay, so Monir. This looks like, yeah, well, this is going up in the aftermarket, not by much though. So, that would suggest it's going to keep going tomorrow. But yeah, 82% up on the day, and it gapped up here at like 110. So it should come back down to 110. You know, I like this on the short side. Not for that long though. You know, like I would say you should probably cover, like get in tomorrow early in the morning, and you know, cover before the market closes. That's what I would say. You know, this is like a quick flip here. Maybe like 1 or 2 days. But, why did this go up? Is there news or something? If it went up on like a catalyst or news. Announced projects revenues of candy business to grow. So I guess it went up on positive news here. Yeah. We'll have to see where this finishes. Okay, looks like we're back. I don't know what's going on, guys. I think YouTube's giving me some problems here. Hopefully it doesn't keep happening, but I got disconnected twice already. But looks like we're back here. Apologize about the fire truck. I like this one on the short side, dude. So, yeah, I support going short tomorrow, or even right now, actually, if you can. Not sure if you're allowed to trade aftermarket or pre-market. But it looks pretty good to me. And, yeah, I would say just cover, you know, end of tomorrow. Go to entry 9:30 a.m. Yeah, dude. Actually, now it looks like it's pulling back now. So, yeah. If if you can get in before that, that's even better, dude. Like right now, or, you know, post-market, pre-market. Not sure if you're able to trade post and pre-market, but that'd be even better. But yeah, you know, 9:30, good entry, and cover before the market close, I would say. This is like a good one-day swing right here. You should, you know, this looks like an easy, like, I don't know, maybe 20, 30%. Yeah, it looks like a good short play to me, dude. Not an not an alpha yet looking to get in. Yeah, I mean, the price really can't get better than this, Kingpin. So go for it, dude. Not financial advice. And Monir, yeah, this looks really good to me too on the short side. Yeah, I would just say make it a one-day play, in and out real quick. All right, guys. So yeah, hope that answers your questions. And let's get started here. And please smash the like button for me, guys. Would appreciate that. Okay. So the Dow Jones finishes sideways, literally at 0%. The Nasdaq down 1.49%. That's pretty nasty. And the S&P 500 down 0.72%. So, yeah, the day started slightly bearish and finishes pretty bad here. So, slow bleed throughout the day. Nasty stuff. So that's why we did the show from Raministan today. ISIG, how do you think for tomorrow for short? Let me just run through this stuff real quick, Monir, and then we'll look at ISIG. I think it was pumping today, though, if I'm not mistaken. Well, it was up to 35, damn. But it came back down here. Yeah, give me a sec. We'll get to that real quick. Wow, a lot of sirens here to start the show. My bad, guys. My apologies. Think something happened. Okay. Yeah, and the VIX is up 8.44%, above 20 again. So, that's not good, you know. Anything above 20 VIX is pretty volatile, pretty bearish, and anything below 20 VIX is good and bullish. But yeah, let's check it out. Not too many things on the green side today. That's not good. Only things in the green really are Nokia, Twitter, Walmart, Walgreens, Pfizer, McDonald's, J&J, and a few financials. Visa, Bank of America, Wells Fargo. But yeah, really not too many things in the green here today. And the things that are in the green really didn't have too much price action. So yeah, that's not good. And on the red side, pretty much everything is red. Let's see what's going on. So it looks like the Trump stocks are down. Trump stocks and crypto, it looks like. And memes. PHUN down. BKKT, which we'll discuss third today. That's a crypto stock, crypto meme stock. That's down 14.35%. DWAC 13.56%. Yeah, DWAC was a honorable mention today. I think that was number 2 after AMC, but I don't want to talk about DWAC anymore. Tired about talking about that. So honorable mention there though. CRTD meme stock, that's getting slammed. Damn, Peloton. The hell is going on with Peloton? This thing just keeps on going down. Holy crap. I forgot if this was in the meme ETF. I don't remember. It might be. But yeah, Peloton might be a meme stock now. Marathon, crypto stock there, down 11.3%. GME, which we'll discuss second today. Meme stock there, that's down 10.3%. They had earnings, so we'll check that out second today. Mark, Riot, those are down 9 to 10%. Those are crypto stocks. CFVI, honorable mention. We talked about it yesterday. Don't want to talk about it anymore. Been talking about it all week, so I'm done with that stock. But that's down 9.4% today. Prague, AMC, ALF, all meme stocks down 9%. DATS, SOS, meme stocks down 8 in the 8%. Coinbase down 8.2%. Damn. So that's a crypto stock, but Coinbase really isn't that volatile, so that's a pretty bad day for Coinbase. Roku, that is in the meme ETF. I wouldn't really consider it a meme stock, but it's in the meme ETF. So that's down. Skills, ANY, CEI, Robinhood, those are all meme stocks down about 8%. SoFi, ATER, Workhorse, those are down in the 7%. Yeah, the meme index, meme ETF is down 7% today. So a lot of these meme stocks are in the meme ETF. MicroStrategy, 7%. That is a crypto stock there. Yeah, Tilray and Roblox, those are in the meme ETF. Those are down 7%. Looks like cannabis is down. Tilray, Canopy Growth. Oxygen down 6.3%. MMAT still going down 6.16%. Damn, Tesla got wrecked, huh? Tesla down 6.1% today. It's down to 1,000. Wow. Bad day for Tesla. What else we got here? Pretty much everything is down, but this definitely looks like it's led by, growth stocks. Not really anything, of value. Not many value stocks here. Or they're not down that much, at least. So the big price action definitely is by the growth stocks. I got Ride, DraftKings, Microvision. Those are down. AMD's down 4.92%. That's pretty nasty. NASDAQ is down the most today, but yeah, AMD's been pulling back pretty hard. Wish keeps going down. Wish is down to 3.6. Damn. Don't know why people are still trading DD, but that's down. Clover down. Yes, at 445 now. Nvidia down 420. Nice. That's pretty nasty. Moderna down 4%. Virgin Galactic down. Yeah, everything's down. XALA talked about that yesterday. That's down 3%. Palantir down 3%. Chinese EVs down. NIO, XPeng, Li Auto. Netflix 2.7%. Damn, Viacom's down to 31. You gotta be kidding me. What up, Eric? Appreciate you, man, for being here. I think you just subscribed yesterday, so yeah, man, appreciate you, dude. Welcome to the show. Welcome to the community. Hope you enjoy. Small caps? Yeah, small caps getting wrecked today. Well, everything's getting wrecked today, but the small caps are leading the way for sure. Especially the meme stocks. Alright, what else we got here? Yeah, that's about everything noteworthy. Looks like airlines and cruises are down again. Travel stocks, airlines, cruises, hotels. Yeah, the value stocks didn't get hit too hard. We got Nike 1.26%, Amazon 1.13%. Alibaba keeps going down, 0.94%. But yeah, so overall, really, really nasty day in the stock market today. If you were in the value, probably wasn't too bad, but if you're in the growth and the memes, you probably got pretty wrecked today. So, yeah, hope you guys held up pretty well here. Hope you guys made money. But most people did not. So, yeah, hope you guys didn't lose too much money. Yeah, nasty day in the stock market today. What's up, Low Roller? Thanks for being here, dude. Poor crypto day today. Yeah, we'll get to that right now. So, yeah, nasty day in the stock market. Nasty day in crypto. We'll take a look at crypto right now. Please smash the like button, guys. Would appreciate that. A lot of people in here already. Thank you, guys. All right, so let's do ISIG for Monir real quick. So yeah, this keeps on going up. This is crazy. Small trickle back into them after hours. Yeah, a little bit. It helps a little bit, but, you know, still a nasty day overall. All right, Monir. Yeah, so you already know my stance on this one, you know. Been saying for a while now, not a while, but like a week, that this looks really bearish and it should pull back eventually. And today, of course, it moons again. So it's still squeezing. Looks like it's going down here in the aftermarket, though. So, damn, hit 35.5 today. Let me just draw another one here. So, yeah, you know, damn, 31 million today in volume. Yeah, this is still squeezing. So, looks like an obvious short to me, but, you know, just be careful. It is still squeezing. It still can possibly squeeze up further, although it can't go too much more to the upside, but still more upside potential, but eventually it will have to crash pretty hard. So, I'm not sure if you're in here or looking to get in, but, you know, not financial advice, but, you know, if you're in here, consider averaging down. And if you're not in, you know, this is a really good entry for going short. Don't go long. I'm not going to say don't go long, but going long would be a straight up gamble here. So, not the greatest idea. And, you know, this looks like a fairly easy short play as long as you're able to withstand the short squeeze. Should be over pretty soon here. You know, high RSI, 80 RSI, all-time high. And the gap at what, like $6, 580, whatever that is. So it should come back there eventually. But yeah, this is still squeezing. So yeah, looks like an easy short play to me, dude. Good luck to you. Not financial advice. Hope the person got wrecked on Roku TV. He cashed out today. I think that was a YOLO yesterday, right? Yeah, Roku's getting wrecked here. All right, let's move on to crypto, guys. 1 second. Let me pull it up here. All right. You're welcome, dude. Okay. So crypto's down 6% today. All right, let's see what's going on in the meme coins first. The hell is this? Crypto Indian coin? Really? I mean, I don't think this is an official Indian coin, but I thought it was banned in India. Or it was banned, then it's not banned, and then it's banned again or something like that. So, yeah, I don't think this is like an official government coin, but interesting. Crypto Indian coin. What up, Marvin? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. What else? We got Lifebird. The hell's Lifebird? I don't know. That's up 1,500% today. And then we got Prince Floki V2, of course. That's up 337%. Severe Rise Games token. I don't know what that is. That's up 271%. Then we got MetaDoge down a little bit. Farm Planet. Okay. And Taboo token. So Taboo token is trending a lot, but that's down 5% today. So not so many memes today. Just MetaDoge and Prince Floki V2. The Roku guy sold. He made over 150K yesterday. Awesome. I mean, good thing you hit the sell button. I always tell you guys, if you're going to play the FDs, the YOLOs, hit the sell button. Don't hold. So did the right thing there. So if he held today, he I don't know, he might have lost a lot of money or everything. I'm not sure, but you know, good move selling there yesterday. All right, on to the actual crypto. So Bitcoin is down 5.46%, under 48K. Good. Here's the mood for today. Where's my meme? That was the mood for today. I think I'm gonna start using that meme in the thumbnails. The Peter Tuchman memes. I'm gonna start using him in the thumbnails. The legend himself. All right. Ether down 5.44%, under 4,200 now. Binance down 3.4%. So Lana 4.66%, Cardano 6.3%. XRP sideways, Polkadot down 7%. Doge 4.12%. Come on, Doge. Sheep down 6.58%. Crypto.com 7.1%. Pretty much everything is down. Litecoin 6.14%. Even the Metaverse coins are down. Algorand down 6.38%. Bitcoin Cash down 5.16%. I don't see anything in the green. Oh, there it is. Near Protocol. Pretty sideways, though. Stellar 8%. Yeah, Axie Infinity, Decentraland down 6.5%. Those are Metaverse coins. FTX down 7.5%. All I see is red. Oh, wait. Leo, that's up 2%. And Gala's up. All right, we got some green. But yeah, all I see is red here. Let's sort this out. Huobi is up. Okay. So, literally, only 5 coins in the green here today. And not too much price action. By far the best thing is IOTX, 7.28%. And then everything else is, 3% and under. Huobi, Gala, and Near. That's it. Everything in the red here. So let's take a look at the red side. I don't even want to. So 95% of the coins in the green are in the red. But it does appear like it is being led by smaller cap coins, not so much the value coins here. So yeah, 95% of the top 100 in the red here. A lot of price action, a lot of coins in double-digit red here. But again, it's all smaller cap coins. I don't really see larger stuff here. Terra is 8.8%. Chainlink, 7.33%. Polkadot, 7%. Crypto.com, 7.1%. Yeah, pretty nasty stuff. But especially for the altcoins. The blue chip value coins, not so much. I mean, still pretty nasty. But all things considered, not the worst thing in the world. There's been a lot worse days in crypto here. So, just hang in there, guys. Diamond hands, hodl, right?
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
Are you going to buy Cardano under $1? I should. That'd be a great buying opportunity. I don't have the most cash in the world right now. I got to be a little conservative. I got to get my business set up first, and then I can go, blow all my money. Sure. But probably a little bit, yes. But I don't have a huge amount of cash to go buying the dip here right now. But definitely, if it does go under $1, I'll pick some up. It's a shakeout. Yeah, in the stock and crypto market. XLM going to be a long-term winner. I mean, it already is. I was in XLM. I don't have it anymore, but I was in it since 2017, I think. And I kind of bought that one on a whim, just like, hey, why not? It was like a couple cents, and yeah, holding up pretty well. So it already is a long-term winner and will continue to be for sure. But yeah, guys, that is the crypto market today. Pretty nasty stuff. So nasty day in the stock market, nasty day in crypto. So hope you guys held up pretty well here. You can start driving Uber so you can buy more crypto. Not in New York, dude. Being an Uber driver in New York is pretty tough. Because for some reason, you need like a brand new car to drive Uber here. Like 2018 and newer. And, No, I don't got time for that anyway, you know. I gotta study and get my business set up. I ain't poor, but you know, I can't be splurging right now. Yeah, but big difference though. In Syracuse, when I used to live there, you could have like a 2005 car and drive Uber. Here, it's like 2018. Like, you know, Uber drivers don't have that much money. How the hell do you expect them to have a brand new car? What they do is they lease it to you, and you got to pay them back. And apparently Uber is unprofitable anyway, because when you got to pay for repairs and maintenance and gas. Anyway, I don't want to get too carried away, but um, Uber Eats, that's true. On the bike, people do it on the bike here. DoorDash and Grubhub and Uber Eats. Nah, dude, I'm good on that. I got a lot of Bitcoin. I'll just keep selling covered calls on my Bitcoin, which I got 3 weeks here left on my covered calls. That should expire worthless. 75K strike, so looking good. And then I'll just sell more covered calls. What's up, Busy Bone? Appreciate you for being here, dude, as always. Harmony 1. Is that a crypto? Sounds familiar. Not really sure, but yeah, thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. All right, so let's get on to the news. 1 second. Harmony 1 is a crypto. Are you in it? I'm assuming it's down today. I feel your Bitcoin is not going to 75 in 2 weeks. Probably not, likelihood. I welcome it though. That's cool. It can go to 75K. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. I've never got called away on crypto yet on my Bitcoin. So, been selling covered calls for about a year now and haven't lost yet. So, keep feeding me the premiums. I think the next one I'm going to do is going to be for March for the 70K strike. We'll see. And at 8 cents, what's it at now? I just closed down CoinMarketCap, but yeah, I'll pull it back up. Bitcoin can go up $10K in one day. It can, and I want it to. But can it go up 25K in a day? Probably not. I've seen it though. I've seen it happen. Back in the old days, not anymore. Those days are over. Yeah, Harmony. I remember this one. All right, so it's at 18. So fat profit already, dude. Up over 100% here. So congrats, man. Diamond hands.
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
Jasmine got listed in crypto.com. Wasn't it already? Or no, it was on Coinbase. That's cool. It's still a piece of shit. Whoops. Yeah. I mean, that's cool. Got listed in crypto.com, but it's still pretty bad to me. Not bad, but there's nothing special about it. But the Jasmine army is strong. I don't want to hate on the Jasmine army. Did enough of that already, but that's good. I hope it goes up because a lot of people got wrecked on there, lost their money. Damn, I need a haircut. Get one this weekend. All right. Breaking news. Trump loses appeal to block January 6 probe from getting White House records. Interesting. Maybe that'll affect EWAC. But, okay. Breaking news. Trump just lost his appeal. Jasmine on a downtrend? Yeah, it was at 12 last time I checked. Like yesterday. So, people really think it's going to be the Japanese Bitcoin. You know what the Japanese Bitcoin is? Bitcoin. Okay. So today we got 2 articles. One about potential SPAC regulations and one about the Metaverse. So let's check it out. SEC Chair Gary Gensler seeks tougher SPAC disclosures liability rules. Key points. SEC Chair Gary Gensler on Thursday floated several potential SPAC rules he hopes the regulator will consider as it works to oversee the popular take public option. Among the ideas Gensler pitched were new rules around marketing practices, tougher disclosure requirements, and liability obligations. Gensler said he is concerned by a disconnect between the information that companies are required to provide through a traditional IPO versus disclosures required from SPACs. His comments come days after news broke that federal regulators are investigating a planned SPAC merger involving President Trump's media firm, which is DWAC. 10 cents now? Good. And it's gone. I'm stopped. I'm stopped. All right. Okay. So, you know, I kind of agree with this. SPACs are a bit ridiculous. Kind of reminds me of, you know, crypto back in 2017 with the whole ICO craze. Because, yeah, it's true. Like, most of the SPACs are scams, I will say. Most of them, not all of them. And it's unfortunate because, you know, legitimate companies trying to go public sooner, like, this gives them a bad name. Makes them look bad. All the scams. Most SPACs are scams, let's be real. But there's a few legit ones, you know, DraftKings, Lucid. Forgetting some more. But, yeah, DWAC is another one. There's a few that are pretty legit. But, yeah, you know, last week, yeah, the SEC, I think Elizabeth Warren, you know, called out DWAC, and now they're investigating that because there was some rule breaking going on. Apparently, you know, they were talking about merging even before it went public, DWAC. So, I agree with this to an extent. There should be more information because most of these are straight up scams. You know, you got to protect the retail investor. But at the same time, it's up to the retail investor to do their due diligence. But most people investing in SPACs are apes, straight up apes, and that's what apes know how to do: lose money. So, but you know, potential regulations coming here in the future on SPACs. So I do hope they get a little more regulated, a little more safe, but, you know, the benefit of SPACs are that you don't have to wait a year to go public, like IPOs. IPOs are, like, way too protected, like, way too much regulation. SPACs are way too little regulation, so there should be a middle ground somewhere, for sure. But, yeah. So maybe in the future, near future here, we'll see some more regulation on SPACs. Glorified penny stocks? Yeah, for the most part, and then some of them actually moon. Crazy volatility. All right, low roller. I don't know what is that, dude. We can take a look at it pretty soon. All right, next article about the Metaverse. Let's read. Facebook takes a step toward building the Metaverse. Opens virtual world app to everyone in U.S. Key points. Facebook on Thursday announced that it is opening up Horizon Worlds, its virtual reality of avatars, to anyone 18 and older in the US and Canada. Why do you have to be older than 18? That's interesting. The broader launch of Horizon Worlds is an important step for Facebook, which officially changed its name to Meta in October. The company adopted the new moniker based off of the sci-fi term Metaverse to describe its vision for working and playing in a virtual world. With the announcement on Thursday, users will no longer need invitations to go into Horizon Worlds. Is this it? Kind of looks like, you know, when the Wii first came out, and then you made, like, the Miis? Looks like a little bit better than that. Is this the Metaverse? That's not too realistic. But, okay. I guess that's a good beta, you know, a good beta test. Sorry about the sirens, guys. That's pretty cool, but I was expecting more from it. Okay. I did see Bill Gates. He said, like, in 2 or 3 years, everyone's going to do virtual meetings in the Metaverse now. So, yeah, I don't care too much for this stuff, but apparently it's the new big thing. Pretty scary and cool at the same time. But no matter what, you know, it's here to stay. Metaverse is going to be a big thing. So I guess I got to check it out sometime. GGPI is one of those SPACs that is going to Moon come next year. Yeah, that's not Rivian. What was that one? I already forgot which one it is. Polestar. Yeah, that's one of the more legit ones. But most of them are scams. Cringe? Yeah, cringe. But this is where we're heading towards, whether you like it or not. You know, Metaverse is here to stay. So I should check it out sometime. I'm curious. I don't really care, but pretty curious to see how it works. Apparently, there's going to be a glove now. You already got the Oculus goggles, and they're coming out with a glove soon. Facebook, so you can, like, feel the Metaverse. It's kind of weird. Okay. And then soon you're going to have a whole bodysuit, and your whole body's going to be in the Metaverse. Let us know, review it. I don't even have an Oculus, but sure. I got some friends who have an Oculus. Got to check it out. Looks like VR chat. The hell is VR chat? I don't even know what that is, but yeah, like I said, it looks like a me, you know, from the Wii, like from years ago, or like from Xbox avatars. That's kind of what it looks like. Pretty cool. Yeah, like I said, pretty. I guess it's pretty cool for pretty decent for a beta test. Well, it's not beta anymore, but good start. Google execs tell employees they won't raise pay company-wide to match inflation. Google's skimping. Ready Player One stuff. I didn't see that movie, but yeah, something like that. Something like Black Mirror. You know, there's a bunch of episodes on Netflix going into the VR, like uploading your subconscious to the cloud and stuff. But yeah, the future. We're getting too old. All right, let's take a look at these articles here. I have no idea what this stuff is, but let's open them up. DraftKings to expand NFT marketplace with NFLPA. That's pretty cool. So they already had like some baseball and basketball ones, I think, but this is pretty cool. We're going to have football NFTs. Kind of like Top Shot for the NFL. That's awesome. DraftKings is doing it big. DraftKings is, I like DraftKings a lot, but the stock keeps going down. But, you know, this is pretty cool stuff. But it's in a deal with the Players Union, not the actual NFL. I wonder how that's going to go. NFL is probably going to be pissed. The NFL itself, not the NFLPA. All right, what's this one? Coinbase to integrate Ledger's hardware wallets. About time. So this will protect you from getting hacked. That's pretty cool. because Coinbase is prone to hacks. They have been getting hacked. So here's one more layer of protection. That's awesome. About time. So good news there. Honestly, I don't think too many people use hardware wallets anymore. I mean, they never really did, but, the majority of crypto users now they don't really transfer their crypto throughout wallets. They hold it on the exchange. So I'm not sure how many people are actually going to use this, but this is a really good step for Coinbase. It's not going to deter hacks, but it's going to prevent you from getting hacked personally. They can go Tom Brady Company NFT. Yeah, I think Tom Brady has his own. Most newbies don't know how to use hardware wallet. Yeah, like I just said, most people don't use this anyway, but it's a good option to have for sure. But at the same time, people use hardware wallets to keep their money off exchanges, so the government doesn't know what you have. So that kind of defeats that purpose. But this is good in the case of not getting hacked. All right, cool stuff. So let's get on to the analysis now, guys. And today, once again, we're going to do LCID Lucid, GME Gamestop BKKT Bakkt holdings. And honorable mentions to DWAC, CFVI, AMC. Those are all trending, but I don't want to talk about those stocks. Tired of talking about those stocks. Okay. So let me take a drink here and we'll get started. I use the ledger to hold my long-term crypto, also to make sure the feds are watching or aren't watching. I think it mean aren't watching. Yep. Two things you can't avoid in life: death and taxes. But for now, you can on crypto, but they're cracking down. But yeah, hardware wallets are becoming a thing of the past. I got a bunch of ledgers. I got like 10 of them. But yeah, if you can keep away from Uncle Sam, everyone wants to. All right. So let's do it, guys. Damn, this finished real down. Bad way to end here. Okay. So here is LCID Lucid Group. This finishes at $36.52 today. That is down 18.34%. So Lucid was a really hot stock a couple weeks ago. Ran all the way up to 58 and has since faded away. Haven't heard too much about this stock lately, but today this was trending top 10 on StockTwits. Nasty day. So let's talk about it. And there was a reason why this stock went down so much today, aside from general market selling off. We did have some news, so let's check it out. Okay. So the news is that Lucid is doing a an offering. It's going to be a $1.75 billion offering in convertible senior notes, which are bonds that you can then convert into stock later in the future. And it says the company expects to grant initial purchasers an option to purchase an additional 262.5 million of the notes. And this is to private placement. So yeah, anytime an offering is done, that's bearish news because it dilutes the stock. So it was selling off in the aftermarket and continues to sell off today. So down 18.34%. So let's go ahead and analyze here. Okay. So this looks like a possible cup and handle. Top of the cup being 58. And the bottom being, we'll call it 15. So that would be a bearish indicator because that means this cup completed, topped out, and is now pulling back to complete the handle. So some quick math. 43. So just some quick math. This stock should pull back to around 35, 36-ish to complete the handle because that is about halfway between 58 and 15. And right now it's at 36.5, so it's around that price already. So this might start to bottom out pretty soon, hopefully. This also looks like a possible head and shoulders here. Actually, you know what? We're not going to do the head and shoulders. That's more like a... Yeah, forget that. Okay. Anything else? Don't think so. Okay. Let me draw another one here. My bad, guys. Let me just add a few more. Alright, that looks pretty good. Cool. Alright. So right now this is sitting on the support of 36.50, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 38.30, 39.95, 41.30, 42.65, 43.70, 44.90, 45.95, 47.90, 49.20, 50.50, 51.75, 52.80, 54.75, 56.25, 58.05, 60.20, 62.15, and then the high of 64.85. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 34.80, 32.55, 31.45, 30.45, 28.75, 27.50, 26.80, 25.30, 24.25, 22.45, 21.40, 22.30, 19.10, 18.35, 17.15, and then 16.10. And there is support below 16.10, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now at this current price, 36.52, the channels to the upside and the downside are decently sized, so expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. The RSI is currently at 39, so that's a bit below average, but not quite undersold. Excuse me, not quite undervalued and oversold. And this did 120 million in volume today. Significant volume, so this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Sold on my Lucid the other day to add to my GGPI in my Roth account. I wasn't sure at the time if it was the right move, but I went with my gut and I see that was the right move. Well, congrats to you, Marvin. I remember talking about this last time. I forgot what I said, like where it was going to pull. I said it was going to pull back to like in the 42 or like 40 or something. So, and it's pulled back more than that. So, yeah, dude, good play. I actually missed one here. There's another one at 47. Okay. So what price did you sell at, dude? But, you know, that could be full Chad mode. Sell high, buy low. Which is the opposite of what people do on Wall Street bets. Buy high, sell low. That'd be crazy if it goes back to the 20s. Hey, you never know. You know, EVs are kind of in a bubble. Or they were in a bubble. I don't know about now. It looks like the bubble is popping. 44? Nice, dude. Damn, like 55 would have been... 50 in the 50s would have been a lot better, but yeah. Good call, dude. Okay. Cool. So it's a bit difficult to tell where this is going to go in the short term. Long term, this is definitely a good stock. It'll definitely go back up. But we're getting some... Well, but in the short term, this does look slightly bullish. Like I said earlier, the cup and handle is a bearish indicator, but it appears like the handle is going to bottom out pretty soon here. It appears like 35 is some pretty strong support. And 32.50 is also some very strong support. So personally, I don't really think it's going to go lower than 32.50. And we are getting slightly bullish indicators in the RSI. A slightly bullish indicator in the RSI here. And of course, the social media sentiment. The apes really, really love this stock. Really no bearish indicators and no neutral indicators here. Well, the cup and handle is still a bearish indicator, which should turn bullish pretty soon here. Eventually, very soon, this should start to bottom out and consolidate for a little bit, and then eventually it should break out again, because that's what happens in a cup and handle. Handle forms, consolidation, and then breakout again. So this may still have more downside potential, but it really shouldn't go down too much more, and eventually it should break out. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I think this current price of 36.50 is a pretty good entry. You may be able to get a lower one. Maybe this will come back down to 35 or 32.50. But you really can't go too wrong here at 36.50. May already be the bottom. So I would support going long here at 36.50. And if this pulls back, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. And again, if you're in this for the long term, you know, this definitely will go up in the long term. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. This already pulled back a lot from the high of 58. And like I said, really shouldn't pull back too much more. Personally, I think 32.50 at the most. So maybe you can get 10% to the downside here, but honestly, it's really not worth it in my opinion. Because this is a low-key meme stock. Apes love it. Institutions are starting to get in here as well. So going short here would be a high risk, low reward play, I would say. Just too risky for my liking, and not enough tendies to justify the risk. So I don't think it's a great idea. Not too smart. So I don't recommend going short here. Doesn't make too much sense. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. But this could be a good buying opportunity coming up. Not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is LCID Lucid Group. I sold into that last green day. Yeah, you dodged the bullet there. This could have went really, really bad. All right, next one, GME. We should get through this pretty fast here. Got GME and then BKKT. Damn, it actually looks like I should draw a couple more. I don't really want to, though. Give me a second, guys. Let me just quickly draw a few more. I thought I was good here, but it looks like I missed a few. I don't even think it's going to go down this low. Whatever. I haven't updated this chart in a while. I haven't talked about the stock in a while. That looks pretty decent. Maybe one more here. Okay, that should do it. Alright, I think we're good. Yeah, why not? One more here. It sure looks a little better than AMC. Well, this does look like it's consolidating. Let me remove this one. Because I could draw a huge triangle, like back all the way back here. It does look better than AMC. Because AMC broke out of the triangle. This looks like it's still consolidating. Okay. So here's GME Gamestop. This finishes at $155.76 today. That is down 10.3%. So we haven't talked about GME in a while here. This was the original meme stock. And for some reason, people don't really care about GME anymore. It's all about AMC nowadays. But aside from the general market sell-off, there was a reason as to why this sold off so much today. We had earnings yesterday and some downgrades. So let's check it out. Cycles, yeah, that's how meme stocks trade, in cycles. Every 3 months, not 3, every few months, there's another meme mania. But let's see what the earnings were here. Okay, so the EPS was negative $1.39 per share, which, what's the estimate? I don't know what the estimate was. But that's down a lot more from 29 down. That's a lot more down from 29 cents per share from last year. So they're losing a lot of money here. And the revenue was 1.3 billion, which beat the estimate of 1.19 billion. So it looks like the revenue was good, but the EPS was really bad. And overall, the market, especially the institutions, did not like this. So as a result, Wedbush downgrades to $45. And there's one more. And Jeffries downgrades to $180. So big difference in opinion there. Wedbush, one hedge fund thinks it's worth $45, which is way lower than the current price, about 65% lower than its current price. And Jeffries thinks it's worth 180, which is above the current price. So really the estimates, really the price targets for this stock are all over the place. No one really knows the true value of the stock here. Random, I think somebody buys in and starts babbling and people jump in and do the same. Yeah, like like how it all started. Wall Street Bets, starting with deep effing value. Right? The man who started it all. Legend. Deep effing value. But now he's silent. We need him to come back. I'm still waiting on those GameStop NFTs. I would like to buy some. Yeah. And apparently they're going to run on Loopring, right? That's why Loopring is mooning. Maybe it's all talk. Hopefully those come out. But even if they do come out, you know, it's like they're not anything special. I don't think. They showing any profit from online sales? No, I don't think so. They lost 1.29 per share, $1.29 per share. So, I'm not sure what the online versus retail comparison is, but overall, they're losing a lot of money here. You can definitely tell who's short by that statement. A lot of hedge funds are, but I think a lot of hedge funds gave up as well. Okay. So I'm going to wait for this ambulance to pass, and we'll analyze here. Cool. So yeah, bad earnings. Institutions didn't like it. They're selling off, and it appears like some apes are selling off as well. So, yeah, bad earnings and down 10.3% today. So let's go ahead and analyze here. So we did have a double top, it looks like, and that was a bearish indicator, and it is selling off from the double top here. But at the same time, this is consolidating. You see I drew here a symmetrical triangle all the way back from when this originally squeezed in January. It appears like right now this is consolidating between 240 and 145. So it looks like it still has a ways more to go for consolidation. But if this symmetrical triangle does hold, this should break out eventually. But I do expect this to consolidate for maybe a couple more months here. So, diamond hands, right, guys?
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
They need to partner up and get a community platform in VR and give NFTs for game ownership and hire programmers. Yeah, well, what's that guy's name? Michael Cohen? He's supposed to turn the ship around. So, that would be a good idea. But, you know, apparently they're partnering at Loopring and stuff, so maybe they can make it happen. The CEO understands what the apes want. Okay, so yeah. This is currently trading between this symmetrical triangle, consolidating between the symmetrical triangle, and that is a bullish indicator. Probably will consolidate for a little bit longer here, though. Alright, I think that's about it. Don't really see any other indicators here. Okay. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 158 and 151. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 158, 166, 176, 184, 198, 208, 221, 230, 241, 249, 262, 281, 296, 325, 347, 382, and then the high of 483. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 151, 135, 120, 112, 98, 91, 75. Where should we stop? And then 63. And there is support below 63, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now at this current price, 156, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized, so expect a good amount of price action, either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 249 to the upside, the channel starts to open up and get pretty wide, so expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 249. RSI is currently at 34, so not quite oversold and undervalued, but quickly approaching that. So this could be a good buying opportunity. Now, financial advice, and this did 5 million in volume today. And this did 5 million in volume today, which is below the average of 13 million. Pretty odd. So this sell-off today was not confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys. So the chart does appear to be pretty bullish. Again, we have the... This kind of looks like it's cup and handling, too. Yeah. Again, we have the symmetrical triangle. This is consolidating right now. And pretty low RSI. So those are bullish indicators. We do have Jeffries, who thinks it's worth 180. So that's a good sign. Hedge fund thinks it's worth 180. And strong... Actually, I take that back. Not strong social media sentiment, but pretty good social media sentiment. Really no bearish indicators. And I think this only went down because of disappointing earnings. But let's be honest, the stock really doesn't trade according to fundamentals. So, yeah, maybe this stock has a little bit more room to run to the downside, but overall, this does look pretty bullish in the short and long term. So right now this is holding at the support of 151. It looks like it retested that a couple of times, couldn't really break it. And then there's very strong support at 135 and 120. I really don't think this is going to go below 120. It's going to take some massive selling pressure to break these next supports here. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I do think 156 is a pretty good entry. You might be able to get a slightly better entry, but really can't go wrong here at 156. Right, as a wise man once said, buy the effing dip. So I would support going long at 156, and if it pulls back, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. Again, really shouldn't go lower than 120. And I really don't expect this to moon in the short term, but I do expect more consolidation, and eventually this should break out again. Maybe in a couple of months here. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Not too much downside potential. It's already sold off a lot from 250. And like I said, really shouldn't go lower than 120. So I think at most you can get 20% to the downside here. And I really don't think the risk is worth the reward, because this could pump. And this is the meme stock. This is the original meme stock. Apes still love it. And you probably will lose money going short here. Yeah, the risk is not worth the reward. Going short's not such a good idea here. You'd be exposing yourself to a lot of risk to make some decent tennies here. Really not worth it. So yeah, I don't think it's too smart. I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today, but looks like a great buying opportunity. Not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is GME Gamestop. All right, one more, guys. Making some pretty good time here. Let me make sure there wasn't any news. I don't think there was. Okay, here is BKKT Bakkt Holdings. This finishes at $14.68 today. That is down 14.35%. What should I give that? The BitConnect? Sure. That's actually appropriate because this is a crypto stock. So this is a low-key meme stock. We briefly talked about this one back in October when this was squeezing. Haven't heard much about it since then, but today this was trending top 10 on StockTwits, so we'll talk about it. Is that a gap? I really can't even see. It looks like a gap. That is a gap. That is a gap. 1020. Okay. So there wasn't any news to justify this price action today. It appears like this sold off because crypto had a pretty bad day, and in general, the stock market had a pretty bad day. So double whammy. Not a great day for crypto stocks. So let's go ahead and analyze here. So we do have a gap up at 1020. So that is a bearish indicator. That is telling us the stock may come back down to 1020 to fill that gap. This also looks like a possible bear flag. Here's the flag pole, and it looks like the flag is developing. So we don't have confirmation yet, but it does look like a possible bear flag. So that is a bearish indicator. This also could be a possible cup and handle. Looks like the top of the cup could be 39.70, 42.65, or the high of 50.80. And it looks like the bottom of the cup would be 11.70. So that would be a bullish indicator that is telling us this stock may run back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. Okay. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 1520 and 1445. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 1520, 1595, 1720, 1845, 1975, 21, 2250, 2375, 2565, 2630, 2860, 3085, 32, 3335, 3465, 3620, 3760, 3970, 4265, and then the high of 5080. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 1445, 1340, 1265, 1170, and then 1065. And there is support below 1065. Actually, you know what? We'll do it. Nah. Actually, no. And there is support below 1065, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now at this current price, 1468, the channels to the upside and the downside are decently sized. So expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 1595 to the upside, the channel starts to open up. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 1595. RSI is currently at 44, so a little bit below average there. And this did 10 million in volume today. Significant volume, so this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay. So this is a little bit difficult to tell where this is going to go in the short term, but we are getting more bearish indicators than bullish indicators. Again, we have the gap up at 1020, possible bear flag. Yeah, and a possible bear flag. And this kind of looks like a dead cat bounce as well. Possible dead cat bounce. So that's another bearish indicator there. Only bullish indicator is the possible cup and handle. So it does look like 1170 is some very strong support. But yeah, more bearish indicators than bullish indicators. So personally, I do think it's going to keep running to the downside here. Could be wrong though. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. I don't like this entry of 1470. I think you should be able to get a much better price. I would say set your buy orders to 1020 because that is where the gap fills, and I think 1020 would be an excellent entry. And if it never comes back down to 1020, then that's all right. You can just let it go. There are other opportunities out there in the market. You don't have to go for this one. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. It does appear to be a pretty decent play. If this does pull back down to 1020, that'd be over a 30% downside. So a good amount of downside potential. Decent amount of tendies to be made. But I think that's too risky, because if this is in fact a cup and handle, this could moon back up to... Yeah, this could start mooning, especially because the channels open up and get wide, like I said before. Price action is going to increase pretty quickly. So I just don't think the risk is worth the reward here, going short. Although it could pay off pretty big. So going short here would be somewhat of a gamble. So I personally wouldn't do it, but if you guys want to gamble, then I could support going short here. Just understand there is pretty good amount of risk, so please do that at your own risk. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. Could be a good buying opportunity coming up here, not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is BKKT Bakkt Holdings. Alright guys, that's it. We're done with the TA. Didn't take too long, but I feel like I was talking a lot here. But yeah, pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Again, honorable mentions to AMC, DWAC, and CFVI, but I'm done talking about those stocks, for now at least. Tired about talking about those stocks. So we're making some pretty good time here. Let's get on to the Yolos. Maybe we'll end at 6 o'clock today. Yeah. YOLO shouldn't take too long. There wasn't too many to choose from. Like I said, Wall Street Bets is slacking lately. I don't know what's going on. It seems like, I don't know what's up with the mods or what, but it seems like they're pumping Microsoft and AMD lately for no reason. And they're slacking with the YOLOs. Not too many, like, FD plays. But let me pull them up here. 1 second, guys. How many people still in here? I don't think there's too many. Oh, there's 6 people. Wow. Okay, that's more than I thought. 6 people, 6 likes. Come on, smash the like button, guys. I would appreciate that. Alright, so let me take a drink here. This is done loading, and we'll get started. Can you look at ELEK for me? Sure, dude. Do you mind if we get through the YOLOs first, and then we can, and then we'll get to any charts you guys want me to look at? If you guys want me to look at any charts, put them in the chat right now, and we'll get to that after the YOLOs. But this shouldn't take too long. Okay, so today, got some fun YOLOs. Nothing too serious. We got a chart here. We got DWAC, GME, Nvidia, PayPal, and Apple. So I picked out the best YOLOs. There weren't too many, but yeah, let's do it, guys. So this first one is by Ozzy Boy. He says, I hope my failure can make some of y'all feel better about yours. I'm ready to make it back. Alright, so I posted his chart here. See, he ran it up from like $1,500, ran it up to like 32K, over 32K. And then, I don't know what happened here, but it went straight good. And now he's back down to $1,800. So really not sure what he did here. He only has it says snap puts, $50 puts. But that shouldn't be why he lost it. So I'm not sure what he did to lose all this here. I'm assuming it's one of two things. It definitely is. Either FD Yolos or all-in margin, which both of them you shouldn't do, guys. Don't do that. Very risky stuff. But in the name of content, we review it. So pretty impressive. Ran it from 1,500 to 32K. That is impressive in itself. I give him a hand there. Honestly, it was probably he probably only ran it up so much from Meme Mania. It says in June here it ran it up. So that was Meme Mania round 2. Maybe from AMC and some other meme stocks. And beginner's luck. And you're going to have to give it back eventually if you gamble like this. Which he did. So I think it looks like he went all in on something and just lost. But yeah, pretty rough stuff. To be honest, it's not too bad. Well, considering, these are kind of rookie numbers considering some other things we've seen on this forum. But yeah, he's ready to make it back. He did it one time. He could do it again, but he could also go to 0. So, hey, Ozzy boy, thanks for posting. Great content. Sorry for your loss. I don't know, dude. Maybe you should just chill. You certainly can make it back, but you can also lose it. You can lose it all from 32K to 0, so hey, do what you got to do, man. I'm not going to tell you what to do here, but I'm just worried. It kind of seemed like a gambling addict to me. So, I suggest just taking it slow. Do some common sense investing, maybe SPY, some ETFs, I don't know. But hey, if you want to YOLO the rest of your money here, $1,800, sure, go ahead. Great content though. So yeah, sorry for your loss. Thanks for posting, and good luck to you in the future. Did he say what he put it on? Doesn't really say what he blew it on. It's a big upside down cup. Yeah, it is. Upside down cup and handle. He needs the the handle to form. Yep. That's pretty funny. TA on his graph here, on his portfolio. It also looks like a double top. That's pretty funny. Good stuff. All right, moving on. So this one is by G. Davidson, 22. He says DWAC, DWAC, rocket. All right, let's check it out. So he has 69 calls. Nice, of course. Lol. For DWAC. Super FDs. These were purchased yesterday, Wednesday, and expire tomorrow, December 10th. So, yeah. 69 calls, $60 strike, expiring tomorrow. Super FDs. So it appears like this was a 20K YOLO, approximately. And right now he's up 24.5K. $24,500. 114.5%. Alright, what's DWAC at? After today, probably got wrecked. Ouch. This is out of the money now. Wow. Okay. So I certainly hope he sold. But all right, so the strike was actually okay, $60 strike. I don't like the expiration, super FD, but it was well timed at the moment at least. So 6 hours ago, this was posted, and he was up $25,000, 24.5K. But at the time of recording now, this is out of the money. DWAC is at 56.50, 55.50 now in the aftermarket. So this is now out of the money. So this just goes to show, I always tell you guys, hit the sell button. When you're up on your options, hit the sell button. Because, yeah, if you don't, you might lose it all. Imagine, he was up 25K and now he's going to be down 100%. So, I certainly hope he sold. I certainly hope he sold. If he didn't, damn. So yeah, G Davidson 22. Thanks for posting. Great content. You belong here, dude. This is insane. Super FD. Don't do this, guys, unless you can afford to lose the money. Nice on the 69 contracts. So, the play itself, not terrible. Not terrible. Pretty risky, but not terrible. Good strike, bad expiration, but good timing, or it was good timing. So, it's a pretty decent play, I guess. And certainly hope you sold, because if not, you're pretty screwed here. 1 day to go. So, yeah, great content. Good luck to you, and please post updates. Did he sell? 69, nice. He says he sold and bought more on the dip. Okay. So he said he sold. So good stuff, good stuff. Got really lucky, because imagine he didn't. And instead he bought the dip, so. Alright, Chad mode. Great stuff. The hell is this? This is Naked Shrek? What is that? Do you see this, guys? It's a Naked Shrek sticker. Alright, this one is by the OG Steve. Definitely reviewed this guy before, so glad to review him again. He says GME to the moon. Okay. So what do we have here? GME $100 put. Wow, really? $100 put? 120 contracts. What? He says GME to the moon, but he bought puts? The hell is he talking about? Huh?
Bruh.
The hell is he talking about? Okay. Maybe he bought the wrong one. Or he's trolling. But yeah, 120 contracts, $100 puts. Expiring January 21st, 2022. So I got a month and a half here, approximately. So this was a 34K YOLO. So I don't know about this one. I do not know about this one. GME going under 100. It hasn't gone under 100 for a long time here. Sounds like he's what was that hedge fund? One of the hedge funds. We just said it. Price target is 50. But yeah, what the hell is this? He might have misclicked. I don't know. I think he meant to buy calls. I really don't know what the hell's going on here. But I don't think GME is going to 100 in a month and a half. So okay, dude. Hope it works out. So I personally think this is a bad strike, bad expiration. Timing is okay, I guess, but overall, this is a pretty bad play, and probably not going to work. So, you know what, dude? If I were you, you're only down 240 bucks here. I guess GME went down today, so he should probably be up a little bit here. But, you know, you're probably you're probably green somehow right now, and I just cut it before you lose everything. Because this is absolutely insane. But hey, what do I know? So, yeah, OG Steve, thanks for posting. I don't know what the hell you're doing here. Please explain. Please clarify. Maybe it's just retarded. But, yeah. Great content, and good luck to you, dude. Thanks for posting. Please post updates. Why is no one asking the hell is he doing here? Everyone's hating on him, see? Good luck, get ready for the hate coming your way. Hope this makes big bucks. Thanks, getting flamed right now makes me more confident. That is true, you know. A good way to play it is the inverse of what everyone is saying. I don't know what's going on here. His account to the moon, maybe? We'll see, we'll see. Interesting. Alright, next one, tendies for the boys. He says, loaded up on NVIDIA 280 calls at the bottom of the Monday morning dip. Impressive, impressive. So we got 6 calls here. NVIDIA 280 strike, expiring next week, December 17th. So this was a 10K YOLO, and right now he's up over 16K, 161%. But this was 17 hours ago, so I think it went down a lot since then. Okay. Well, it's still in the money here. So I hope he sold, because if not, probably went pretty bad. Lost a lot of money here. But, anyway, so good strike, bad expiration, and good timing. So pretty risky stuff, but pretty decent play, and it's working out so far. And somehow he's still in the money here. So at this point, I just cut it, because you never know what's going to happen in 1 week, and he's up so much money already, so I just wouldn't get greedy here, and I'd secure the gains. Pretty straightforward here. Got to be happy with 160%. And, you know, cut while you're up. Yeah, pretty straightforward. But pretty big Chad move for buying the dip. Yeah, that was a good move. So, yeah, easy one here. So, tendies for the boys. Thanks for posting. Pretty good play, dude. Great play. Good strike. Bad expiration, but good timing. So, you know, pretty good play. And at this point, I think you should cut. Secure the gains, dude. Got to be happy with these gains. Don't get too greedy. Certainly hope he sold. But if not, I'd sell pretty soon. So, yeah. Great content. Thanks for posting. Good luck to you, and please post updates. Did he sell? I don't think he sold. I think he's still holding. All right, man. Good luck to you. All right, this one's pretty good. By JMD 2004, they say, I bought the dip on PayPal January 21st. January 2021. $280 call on October 11th when the stock was $255. Diamond hands like a clown. Gotcha, dude.
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
See you behind Wendy's. Now they turned into FDs. Down $115,000. All right, all right. So, yeah, this was a 22K YOLO, approximately, and right now he's down about $116,000. Gotcha, low roller. So yeah, 200 calls, 220, or yeah, 200 calls, 280 strike, expiring in January. Let's check out PayPal. 192. Well, there is a gap to fill at 225, but 280, damn, that is, what the hell? 280. He really thought this was gonna go. This is kind of an Alibaba situation. He bought at 225. So, all right. So it wasn't, the strike wasn't bad at the time. Now it is. And the expiration is pretty bad. 3 months. That's not too much time. So decent strike, bad expiration, and bad timing. So overall, pretty bad play here. I see what he tried to do though. It's like an Alibaba situation. You buy the dip and it keeps on dipping. So yeah. I mean, I don't know why he's still holding. This is not gonna happen, dude. Month and a half to go. It's not going to 280. I guarantee you that. I guarantee you that. So I don't know why he's holding for so long. Should have cut already. But still has $6,800, almost $7,000. A lot of money, dude. Just cut it. Just cut it. If you don't, there goes another $7,000. I don't know why you held this for so long. This is over. You're done, dude. Just cut. So, yeah, JMD 2004. Thanks for posting. Great content, extremely entertaining. Sorry for your loss, but you know, in the name of content, appreciate you, dude. And yeah, pretty bad play all around. It wasn't at the time, I guess, but now it is. And I don't know why you're still holding. Are you hoping for Jesus or something? Hoping for a miracle? It's not gonna happen. So, yeah, man, just cut at this point. There's no reason to hold this any longer. You already held for too long. Save yourself $7,000. I mean, compared to $100,000 down, I guess that's nothing. But yeah, dude, save yourself some money here. But great content. Sorry for your loss, man. So please cut, and good luck to you in the future. You riding till the end? I think so, but even on up days, they go down because the likelihood is so slim. Theta. Why is he riding this till the end? No, it's not gonna happen. It's delusion. This is insanity. Alright, cool. Last one. Of mine, at least. So this one is by Ray's Defiant. They say, Apple loss. Should I sell tomorrow or wait until next week? Alright. So we got 148 Apple puts here. 165 strike. Expiring next week, December 17th. So this was approximately an $18,000 YOLO, and right now he's down about 7K. Down 37%. Position ratio 70.4%. Nice. Okay. So great diversification here. I'm being sarcastic. Let's check it out. Apple 165. Yeah, I don't think it's happening. This is overbought right now. 75 RSI. But, you know, this would need to go down like 10% in a week for this to work. I just don't think it's going to happen. You know, this is Apple. It doesn't really trade like that. I like how that guy typed 1 theta. Just typed theta in there. Yeah. That would explain it. Theta decay. Theta gang. So that's why even when it goes up, he's down. Theta. Yeah, he's screwed. I don't know why he's still holding. Yeah, this guy. Now, this is pretty good. Well, it's not good, but it's probably not going to work. And he's only down 37%. He should be down a lot more. So, yeah, I don't think it's going to work. I just cut here. Because if you don't, it's probably going to 0. And you're going to lose a lot of money every day here. Probably like over 2K a day. Because theta. Right? So 10% in a week is possible. But just not too likely at all. So, yeah, I'd cut this. I'd cut this. The play itself is really not too bad. Well, the strike is not too bad. Expiration is pretty bad. And the timing was pretty bad. It just keeps on going up. But the chart does look really bearish in the short term here. So it's not a terrible play, but pretty bad. I see what he tried to do though. Just the expiration is just way too close though. Too much of an FD. So yeah, raise defiant. At this point, I would just cut it. Unlikely this is gonna work, and you do have a lot of money here still somehow. And if you don't cut, theta's gonna eat you alive. So, you know, be grateful you're still up this much money. Not up, but you only lost 7K. You still got 11.5K. Cut, dude. Move on. Probably not gonna work. That's what I would do at least. So sorry for your loss. And good luck to you. Rooting for you. And please post updates. All right. Cool. So let's open up some Yolos here by Low Roller, and we'll look at some charts, and we'll get out of here. All right, so what do we have here? By Proud Heron 5768 says F. This one isn't too bad. So we got Tesla FD and some Tesla leaps. So the leaps are pretty cool. Well, actually, I don't know. They're not actually leaps. They're not leaps. They're all FDs. So yeah, Tesla's at 1,000. It's not going to 1,200 tomorrow unless this goes up 20%. Unlikely. February 18th, $1,800 strike. I don't know about that, dude. Probably not happening. And March 18th, $2,000 strike. Probably not happening. So looks like this was a $15,000 YOLO, approximately. And right now it's down over 11K. $11,000, 78%. So, yeah, I think you should cut. I don't think this is going to work. I mean, you never know. Tesla's crazy, but a little bit ambitious. A little bit ambitious here. So, I just cut it while you're up. Still got $3,500. You don't cut, it's probably going to zero. So, yeah, the plays themselves, I don't really like it. The strikes are, I mean, the expirations are not terrible, but the strikes are pretty out there. And bad timing, so overall pretty bad plays, and yep, bleeding money here. So yeah, I just cut this one right now. Yeah, this ain't going up. Crazy stuff. Alright, this one is by After Surf Free. 1,620 to 49,000 on Goog calls. Impressive. Okay. So what is it? That's like a... It's like a 3,000% gain? What the hell? Very impressive. Very impressive. So it's only one Google call. $2,500 call. January 2022. Yeah, said it right there. 1620. Now it's worth 49,000. What the hell? So, hey, good stuff, good stuff. You don't really see Google Yolos here, but hey, he's up like 3,000%. Amazing, amazing. So, I want to say this is like an FD degenerate play, but it's kind of not at the same time. So, I think this is like half skill, half luck. But hey, up a lot of money here. And I think it's, what is Goog at? Yeah, it's like way in the money here. Way, way in the money. So, I mean, you know, I'd probably sell it here or take something off the table at least. But he should be good. He should be good. So, congrats to this guy. This is Wall Street Bets when you were actually smart. Yeah. So these were leaps at the time. These were leaps. Oh yeah, super leaps. You know, September 2020, and he held for over a year here. So yeah, that's how you play leaps. Smart Wall Street Bet stuff. Awesome. That's how you do it, guys. Not FT YOLOs. All right, last one by Jamerica Industries, the legend. Love this guy. All right, so I know this is going to be good. Blood of the martyrs will water the meadows of Texas. 20% Northwest NW. What is NW? 200% GME YOLO. Okay. Was this the guy? No, this was not the guy who went all in 100% margin. This was not him. No, it is. Is it not? It is him. It is him. It is this guy. The guy who went all in GME, 100% margin. The market is too undecided on the way it wants to go at this point for most of these plays. Yeah, well, you know, this is where you come to lose your money. Wall Street Bets. Degeneracy all over. So, yeah, this is the guy who went 100% YOLO, 200% all in YOLO on GME, 100% margin. So at least he is selling covered calls here. He is selling covered calls, so, you know, salute. I like that. But I don't think you should go all in 100%, 200% all in on GME. The hell is that? So, yeah, this was a 700K YOLO, and right now he's down 225K, 32%. Average price is 230. Oh my god. So, I don't like the play, but it's great content, and at least he's selling covered calls. So, as long as he continues to sell covered calls, eventually he'll make his money back. Well, this is absurd. This is absurd. But great content. Love it. So, yeah, Jamaica Industries, thanks for the update, dude. Good luck to you. You are insane, but you belong here. Great stuff. Keep it up, dude. Post an update. Okay, so that's all the YOLOs, guys. So let's look at some charts here. For anyone who wants me to look at charts, put them in the chat. So we're going to do ELEK and HDUP. Okay. Electros. So can't analyze this too much because this is relatively new. But here's a cup and handle. It looks like it's bottoming out at $1. So pretty good price here, 105. It really shouldn't go below $1. Looks like a cup and handle. So it should come back up to, damn, 6, 850 eventually. Yeah, looks like a good buy to me. $1? Really good buy to me. Also could be a triangle in the making here. So it looks pretty bullish. Cup and handle. Possible symmetrical triangle. Really nothing bearish here. I mean, you really can't go wrong here, I think, you know? I really shouldn't go lower than $1. This looks like a pretty good play. So I like this one. This looks pretty bullish to me. HDUP. Heads Up Entertainment. So this one's pretty decent. This looks 51 RSI, so pretty average RSI there. Looks like it's consolidating here. Clear triangle right here. So really not too much to go off of. 6 cents is a decent price, I guess. But, you know, this looks like it wants to break out pretty soon here. It is consolidating right here. And RSI is pretty decent, so. You know, I don't like this one as much as the other one. But this one looks bullish as well. 6 seems to be a pretty okay price. Pretty decent price. Not the best, but pretty decent. Yeah. How far back does this go? Yeah, not bad, not bad. I like it. Like the other one better, though. HDUP just needs news. Yeah, PR, and then you gotta dump it when it does. But, it looks like it does want to break out eventually. Pretty soon here. It looks like it's consolidating between, like 7 and 4.5. So I'll give it a little more time. It should break out. It looks like it wants to break out. All right, guys. So that is the show for today. Pretty good show. Pretty chill show. You know, nothing too serious. Pretty simple TA. Chill Yolos. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Anything else you guys want? You want me to look at? Any charts, questions, comments, concerns? And if not, we'll get out of here. So, pretty good time. I said hour and a half, 2 hours. We went 2 hours, 15 minutes. That's all right. A lot of people in here today. Appreciate you guys. Smollett trial live. Yeah, they didn't come out with a verdict yet, right? But he's guilty as hell. Come on. The guy is still claiming innocence. We got you on camera, bro. It's on camera. Like, you know, at least make it a little more believable. Like, if you want to fake a hate crime, you should hire white guys, right? Like, why would you hire black guys to beat you up? You should hire some white guys, right? So, yeah. You know what? It'd be pretty funny if he got off. But he guilty as hell. He guilty as hell. Elect a self-charging EV play backed by some Florida billionaire guy. I don't know what makes it better than the other plays, but just based on the chart, it does look really good. It does look really good. So, I don't know about fundamentally, but the chart looks really good. So, good luck to you, Marvin, on that. He targeted other black dude. It is Nigerian guy. Yeah, the 2 Nigerian guys, the bodybuilders that he worked with. And they literally, they confessed that he paid him, you know, they paid him off. And I don't know how you can maintain innocence after that. There's so much evidence against you. It's crazy. Like, he guilty as hell. But even if he is guilty, he's probably he's not going to jail, you know. Probably do some probation and community service, and then that's it. Slap on the wrist. Good to go. But his career is forever, you know, I don't know, maybe he can make a comeback, but his career is probably done after this. They hired a Nigerian guy for hate crime, backfired against. That's what I'm saying. Like, if you're trying to make it look like a hate crime, why are you hiring black guys? Don't you hire some white guys? I don't know. Very, very poorly thought out. So, yeah. Wonder what's taking so long to come out with a verdict there. He's guilty. Most African people don't like playing race cards. That's true. That is true. I used to work at Amazon. There's a lot of African people that work there. Mostly African people. And they are some hardworking people, you know. They don't complain. They work. They make their money. They send it home. And they appreciate, you know, being here. Mad respect to African people. Work with a lot of Nigerians, yeah. Yeah, they don't want any sympathy, you know. It's, I don't want to get, like, too controversial here, but there's a big difference between Africans and African Americans, like, culturally. You know, they don't claim each other, let's put it that way. All right. Cool. Eileen, one old boy back from when I used to watch Empire. Yeah, I don't know. What is he in? What is he in anything? I've never seen him in anything else. I didn't even know who he was before Empire. Apparently, he did the crime because he was unhappy with his contract, and I think he was getting paid a lot anyway. Alright, guys, so, yeah, that's it. So, let's get out of here. As soon as the siren passes. A lot of sirens today. Low roller, I don't think it's just... I think it's everyone, you know, It's not just black people. Like, people in general in America, this is just my opinion, need to be more grateful about, what we have. People take things for granted a lot. And you really see when immigrants come over and, like, they love it here. And it's like everyone just hates on the country. And it's like, no, just be grateful for what you have. It's a privilege just to live in this country. Don't know how good you have it. People just got to be more grateful. He did it to boost his career. Yeah, that, and he wanted more money. Backfired. Totally deserved it. Cool. All right, I think that's it. Let's get out of here, guys. All right. It's another siren. Craziness. Yo, crime is going all through the roof. New York City, LA, San Francisco. Crime wave. All right, let's get out of here. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know, diamond hands to the moon. Guilty? Is he actually? They just came out guilty? I mean, we knew that. Bam. Guilty. Guilty. Good. What'd he get? He got probation, right? I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.